everyone, welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So today we have an opening from HP and also IBM to discuss. So this both of them are very good opportunities only. So whoever can apply this, whoever matched the eligibility criteria, please to apply to the earliest before the link get expired or before they close the application accepted. Okay, so let's move on to that. Before that, if you're very new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon as well. So while you activate the bell icon, please to put it as all so that all the videos when we upload, you will be getting notified for the same. Okay, else if you put any of the things, then you won't be getting the notification at the right time when we upload. Most of the hiring videos that I present before you, the link to apply for that job will be active only till particular time. So if you didn't get the right time, then you may not be able to grab that opportunity. Okay, so apart from these kind of hiring videos, we do present a lot of backup for your technical needs, your placement needs, like online assessment, interview, whatever things that you concerns that you have related to the placement, we are there to provide you help. Okay, so if any queries, please do let us know in this mail ID. You can mail your concern to this, we'll bring up with a video. Okay, now let's move on to the opening available in HP as a software engineer. So here you can see software engineer firmware 2021 pass out is the eligibility batch. Okay, and the location is Bangalore, Karnataka. Now coming to the responsibilities and education required. So before into that, we have a special gift for you for all of your online study for your family as a gift for Diwali gift. Okay, that is we have 21% off and 3 months free extension for all the courses that is there in our online study for you application. So if you wish to learn something new which will help your career, you can explore our course store in the application and apply this coupon code Diwali21 till November 7th. This coupon code is valid, so you can make use of that and get your courses at the lowest price. Obviously it's already lowest price when it compared to the content and when it compared to the value of the content that you are getting, but still it will be much more helpful if you could get this opportunity. Okay, so grab this opportunity and study at the earliest, prepare well and apply for the selection process and start your career. Okay, so let's move on to this. Here, the education and experience required is bachelor's degree in computer science, information systems or equivalent. Only 2021 pass out need to apply. It's only for 2021 pass out students. And also they have mentioned bachelor's degree in computer science or information system. Okay. Now knowledge and skills will be experience or understanding of firmware design, tools and languages, good analytical and problem solving skills, understanding of firmware and hardware design principles, understanding of basic testing, coding and debugging procedures, good written and verbal communication skills, mastery in English and local language. Okay, so in here maybe the local language they mentioning is to the local language that your native language. So as of now in this they want a bachelor's degree. UG students, you belong to computer science or related bachelor's. Okay, if you are BTech 2, if you have some knowledge in computer science fields, then you can apply. Okay, so maybe, yeah, that's what I meant. If you belong to any other branches, which is not computer science branches too, if you have the knowledge skills and if you have something related to computer science, some courses extra done or some certification courses, then no matter which branch you belong to, you can apply to this position. And they have clearly mentioned it is the opening for 2021 batch students. Okay, so whoever watching this video, we used to get a lot of comments like then what is for 2022 batches. You are going to a 7 semesters now. So once your semester is about to end or it's done, then your opportunities will start to grow. Okay, so by then we'll bring up that when it's up. So to apply for that, you can click on this apply now button and continue with your application process. So in here, you can give all your details, your area of selection, everything related to the job that is available. So this is to get their career section. If you want to get the subscription, then else you can click on this skip and continue. So meanwhile, we'll discuss about the CTC provided. So obviously, it's a core job. like software developing job. So base salary for the HP is 3 plus LPA, like base salary, even if it's support or whatever. And if not, it is to for the core job. Okay, software engineers. So obviously you can expect from greater than 4 plus LPA. 4.56 is the estimated CTC provided. Okay, so in here you have to log in. So if you don't have an account in HP Workday Careers, then you can create an account one. If not, if you have, you can use the email ID and password to log in. So once you log in, you'll have the slots to give your resume, then your first name, your last name, your personal address, contact details, then your education details, skills, it everything, then submit. Okay, so once again, I'm reminding you, just update your resume with that of the eligibility criteria responsibility to this particular opening in software engineer. So firmware they have asked, so if you have something related to that, highlight that point as well. Okay, so this is about the opening available in HP. So now let's move on to the other, which is at IBM. So in IBM, it is L1, L2 support engineer. So here you can see the required technical and professional expertise will be IT background degree. Okay, that is something, some degree related to IT, great communication and organization skills, hardworking, work, communication under pressure or client focus, user orientation to provide great support, collaborative approach, and ability to share with global team members, lessons learned and blockers, good analytical skills, ability to learn fast the application logic and system functionalities, ability to transfer user requirements based on tool capabilities, to drive, deliver E2E tasks, fluent English spoken and written, flexibility, time management, detail-oriented, Excel and advanced. Okay, so here they wanted to have some IT related degree. Then most of the eligibility criteria include your interpersonal skill and communication skills. So they want you to be, very good at working, punctuality, then the communication, then about the analytical skill and everything. Okay, so this is what they want apart from lot many technologies here. So preferred technical and professional expertise will be potential to grow into more technical role, ticket management experience, that is ServiceNow, then support experience, access management experience, no coding skills required, but nice to have SQL DB2, JSON, Java, Agile method. Okay, so coding is not required, but this is required, SQL DB2, JSON, Java. Nice to have, but if you don't know to, that's not a problem. If you have some basic knowledge like what is SQL, what is Java, some basic queries to go, then that's fine. I think most of them would have heard about this, and most of you would have known about this as well. So basically they wanted to have some interpersonal and communication, then team work, and time management, everything. So this is what they wanted to have as of now. So now to apply for this job, you can go with the application button. So in here they have not mentioned about the batch criteria in specific. It means that if you are from a 2020, 2021 and 2022 batch, you can try applying to this job. Okay, so you can apply to this and wait for the response from the company. So to apply for that, this apply now button will go. So here, if you want to get the subscription, you can go, else you can go for the no thanks, continue to apply. So I have logged in currently. So if you have already like profile in the career section, you can use that, or else you can start from the scratch. So we need to accept the terms and conditions, save and continue. Then yes, this is the form. You have to give all your personal details, your education details, work experience, if any. Then you can provide the skill set, then save and continue. Okay, so this will be the application form. So if you could complete this this whole application form at the earliest, then your application will be getting notified at the earliest. Okay, so this is about the opening available in IBM. And now coming to the CTC provided, obviously to an L2, okay, to the L2 profile, they do provide like greater than 4.5 LPAs is the estimated salary. So you can expect up to that. But apart from that, if you are a person who's looking for the non-coding related jobs in software engineer sector, software engineering sector, then this will be a great kickstart. Okay, so focus on your career for the freshers. That will help you to get a lot of CTC as well. So let's Let's apply to this at the earliest. Okay, so that's all for today. If you have any further doubts regarding anything that I've discussed in this video, please do mention in the comment section. We'll come up with the answers as much as we can. So until I come up again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.